the country's national debt rose last October, reaching over 17 trillion pesos. Paolo Barcelon is on the line for the details. Go ahead, Paolo.
The national government's outstanding debt rose modestly in October, reaching 17.56 trillion pesos, or about 106.78 billion pesos higher than in September. The Bureau of the Treasury says the increase was driven by net issuances of domestic and external liabilities, along with the effects of a weaker peso against the U.S. dollar. Domestic debt, which accounts for 68.6% of the total debt stock, rose to 12.05 trillion pesos as the government issued more securities to the peso's depreciation added to the value of retail dollar bonds. External obligations also climbed to 5.52 trillion pesos, supported by new loan availments and foreign exchange adjustments. The Treasury notes that while peso depreciation against the dollar added 58.64 billion pesos to the debt level, this was partially offset by gains against other currencies. In a statement, a Treasury official said, or the Bureau of Treasury rather said, our debt levels remain manageable and the government continues to prioritize local currency borrowing to reduce foreign exchange risks. Meanwhile, guaranteed liabilities declined to 344.41 billion pesos following net repayments and lower valuation of foreign currency guarantees. Treasury explained that the drop was due to the composition of external guarantees, which are primarily denominated in third currencies rather than U.S. dollars. Overall, the agency says October's movement reflects both market conditions and the government's ongoing strategy to manage exposure to foreign currency fluctuations. Authorities also add that they expect debt figures to continue adjusting in the coming months as borrowing programs and currency movements evolve.
Thank you, Paolo Barcelon, reporting.